Good afternoon, BCC Cluster. Welcome to Westland. On behalf of our principal and the entire Westland Math Department, we would like to thank everyone for being here. We know everyone's very busy. So we wanted to get right into what we do here at Westland, which is a demonstration of the video that kids can access online. So students at our school can go to the internet and go to www.westlandmath.org, and they come up with a page that looks like this. You could see that every teacher for the math department is down the right side, and it's separated by courses. So for example, I have an algebra class and a geometry class, so both of those are listed separately. And then if you click on one of the teachers, so we're going to go to Miss Wallstein's IM class, they're going to get to this page. And what you're going to see is all the videos posted by that teacher. You can leave them all up at once. You can just do the ones that you're doing for that current unit. But either way, kids will be able to click on a video and see exactly what you did in class.
Okay, for doing LCM and GCF Venn diagrams, the first thing you need to do are factor trees for each number. So you just come up with two numbers that go into, that are factors of the number. So for 75, I'm going to do 5 and 15. Now 5 is prime already, so I can circle it. 15 has 3 and 5 that go into it, and those are both prime. So write out the prime factors in numerical order on the bottom. Okay. And now come over to the other one.
Alright, so Miss Wallstein goes on for about a 2-minute video, and she explains that, this process, which a lot of our students are going to have trouble with. So the students that, get to their homework and really just kind of forget what's going on, look at their notes, still don't understand. They ask their parents for help, and their parents have forgotten exactly how to do this. They're able to go through this entire video and see this pretty long process. If you look at the end of the video, there's a lot of steps involved. But this way a kid could look at the video, look at it again, look at it a third time before doing the homework or before taking a quiz on the material. The student could also go back and watch every video for that particular unit. For instance, this one was a Venn diagram word problems posted by Miss George, but if you're in the same class, so any teacher of IM, when they post a video, they have the option of posting it to all the teachers of IM, which saves a lot of time. Another cool thing about the video is, well, one, if you're in geometry and you forgot something from algebra, you could go back to the algebra teacher's webpage, and for instance, algebra right now is on Unit 2, Chapter 4. So you'll see all the videos that deal with Chapter 4, separated by, sometimes we separate them by the actual skill. So this one is Chapter 4, how to graph by using a table, or we separate it just by the name of the chapter. So right here would be help with Chapter 4-5 in particular. So all these teachers post, and what you're posting is exactly what's on your Promethean board at the time you make the video, which comes in handy when you want to do other things. For example, I know a website that we use on our Promethean boards when we're teaching addition of integers. So if I go to the website and I record myself, I could show kids right on the video that 1 plus -5 would be demonstrated by this. +1, and then I'm going to add a -5, and then these two are 0 pairs, so they're going to cancel each other out, and I'm left with -4, which is my answer. So students are actually able to see virtual manipulatives on these videos as you explain it, so it doesn't just have to be lecture and notes. Another good thing for the video is if you have calculator software. So here at Westland we use our graphing calculators a lot, so we have the virtual TI calculator. So I could show students on the video exactly how to graph equations, and they could see different kinds of functions that way. But pretty much anything on your Promethean board could be captured and could be put on a video. So that's a demonstration of exactly what we can do on a video, and now we're going to talk a little more about the benefits and some of the things we do particularly here at Westland.